everyone. This is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2021 Audi S4 3T Quattro Premium. With just over 52,000 miles, this Audi S4 is equipped with a 3-liter turbocharged V6 engine and it is all-wheel drive. In the front, you will find this Audi well equipped with LED daytime running lights with high-intensity headlamps, with front proximity sensors and high-gloss black grille inserts. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you can see a 19-inch machined aluminum alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire with those high-performance brakes, and we'll get to the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside of this S4, you will find it well equipped with LED turn signal indicators integrated right into the mirror cap with passive door entry and a powered sunroof. Looking inside, you will be met with a black on black theme with some red stitching and suede and some carbon fiber and brushed aluminum elements. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this gorgeous S4. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these gorgeous red leather seats here, really nice leather bolster here on the side. And of course, you do have power on the driver and passenger side with heating and massaging features. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see the front tires are 8/32, and the rears are 9s, and the brake pads are 11 and 12, so like new all the way around. And we do this so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. And making our way to the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they're going to enjoy nice features like all-weather floor mats, a flow-through center console, and 12-volt output. Making our way to the rear of this Audi, you will notice it is equipped with a high-definition rear camera and all your Audi badging, and some high-gloss black elements, LED tail lamps, and dual quad-tipped exhaust. And looking into the trunk space, you will notice this particular Audi is equipped with your Aftermarket Kicker subwoofer system. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as power door locks, memory seating, and down below you have safety features and powered windows and power adjustable mirrors, including a folding option. Upon startup, you can see just over 52,000 miles on this Audi S4 in a gorgeous center cluster here, nice digital display. And as far as steering pneumatic controls are concerned, you will have some selectors for that center screen. And to the right, you'll have some audio options as far as connectivity pairing, and then some volume options as well. And bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system, you can see this vehicle is equipped with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It's going to bring up your Google Maps and apps like Apple Music. As you can see, I have that up. And of course, you do have FM, AM, XM radio with Bluetooth connectivity, and you will have onboard navigation as well. And down below your screen, you can see you will have a dual automatic climate control here, complete with heated front seats. And then further down, you will have selectable driving modes, auto start and stop with your traction control, and your proximity sensors, you can turn those on and off as well. In the middle, you'll be met with some nice storage, ambient lighting around the beverage holders here. You will have a 12-volt and a USB, and of course your push button start, all the way down to our nice comfortable leather wrap shifter with your manual driving modes here as well. And that corresponds to your paddle shifters up here on the steering wheel. Back down, let's take a look at that nice carbon fiber wrap around here. Nice trim pieces, very cohesive. And you will have an electronic parking brake as well. And of course, red, beautiful leather all the way around. And you will have a nice storage console here with a micro USB. Bringing our attention up top, you will see you have a frameless auto-dimming rearview mirror with your compass integrated right into the glass. And up top, you'll have your controls for your LED map lights and powered sunroof. And under the hood, you will have your 3-liter turbocharged V6 engine boasting over 350 horsepower. And as you can see, this engine is very clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multiple inspection, this vehicle has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Audi. Keep in mind, it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you will have some stone chips and some minor cosmetic blemishes and wear and tear from the road. But your high gloss black and flat black grille inserts are in good shape here. Your headlamps are clear, no cracks, no condensation. But as you can see, you will have some minor cosmetic blemishes here in the front, otherwise really sharp looking here. Let's take a look at the wheel and tire setup. I like to make sure there's no curb rash or anything like that. Let's look up here. Sometimes that's just a little dust. I do see some minor cosmetic blemishes here on the wheels. I wouldn't call that curb rash though. Some minor stuff here above the wheel and tire setup. And looking at the passenger door mirror cap, very clean. Let's take a look behind the passenger door handle, no scuffs. And in the inside, very clean. I didn't see anything that jumped out at me. As you can see, that ambient lighting, it just went off, but had a nice red ambient light through there. Really unique and very elegant interior here in this S4. Red leather is in great shape, as you can see. Not a lot. You will have a little mark there, as you can see. I was just about ready to say, not a lot of stress marks, but here you can see some there. Just the natural way the leather and or vinyl is acting. You will have a small blemish there, but it's not a tear, it's not a rip, but it is a blemish. Making our way back, let's take a look at the back seat. The condition of these leather seats. Not seeing anything right off the bat. You have those nice all-weather floor mats. Some scuffing here on the backing of that seat. Just kidding. I think that's just a little dust. And back around the trunk here. Nice high gloss black. Not noticing any dents or dings all the way here to the back bumper. Everything is good. Coming up the driver's side, let's take a look at this wheel. And it could be from the tire machine, and I think it is. So we'll get that cleaned up, but no curb rash on that wheel. Behind the door handles, really nice. High gloss black on the outer door. You will have some scuffs, but otherwise really good shape. And then ending up at the driver door mirror cap, maybe some small stuff going on here. Otherwise, really beautiful Audi S4. This is the 3-liter turbocharged all-wheel drive. If you have any questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy, only takes 10 minutes. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day. Please like and subscribe.